Hi all. In this session we are going to learn how we can able to perform context click or right click operation in any browser. So and the entire program is present in this GitHub location. You can go. Now we will go to browser and we are going to manually perform context click or right mouse button operation. Yes. Normally I went to this website, and before going to perform any right mouse button operation, let's right mouse button here. Here you can see this is a pop-up window, or is not a window based is not a browser based elements. These are window based elements, so you can't able to perform any operation in this. Maybe you can able to perform right click, but you can't able to select any one or any of these elements. To perform any right mouse button operation and to select that one, you need the element should be related to web elements or browser related. So for this we have taken this one here example. Here when you go to this button, when you perform right mouse button, you will get some pop-up window which contain some of the elements. So in this element you can perform any click operations. Yes. So now let's go to IntelliJ and perform the write in program. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to create one program. Name of the program is context click demo. Yes, now we're done. Now write a program. Public static void main. Then now system dot I am setting the web driver to Chrome driver. System dot set property web driver dot Chrome dot driver. Now I already saved my Chrome driver in this location, that is tech made me lazy slash slash lib slash slash browser drivers slash slash chrome driver dot exe. Now done. Now create one web driver. Web driver is equal to new chrome driver. That's done. Now I am going to add a 10-second implicit wait, that is driver dot manage dot window. Sorry, not okay. That is driver dot manage dot timeouts dot implicitly wait 10 seconds, and units is time units dot seconds. Then afterward I am maximizing the browser. Window dot maximize. This is done. Now I am going to navigate to that browser, that website. Driver dot get. Yeah, I will copy this URL and I want to paste here. This is done. Now to perform any keyboard or mouse related actions, we need a action class. Using that action class we can able to perform any keyboard or mouse related operations. So let's create one actions object. Actions is equal to new actions inside driver. Okay, now actions that first we need to move to that element. Move to element. Yes, wait, before that I need to perform right mouse operation in this element. So right click, first inspect the element. For that element is here. regenerative span, this one. So I can directly use //span text is equal to right click me. Yes, so we got XPath. Going here. Now we need to move to the element driver dot find element by XPath. I'm pasting the XPath is the first thing, and afterward, after moving that element, I need to perform the context click. So dot context click same element. So we'll just go here and driver dot find element by XPath. Yeah, same element. Then afterward build, then dot perform. Okay, now we will go to this website, and afterward we are going to click right mouse button here in this element, and afterward we are not doing anything, just we are going to wait for some time, and afterward we are going to close the browser. Okay, now come here, thread dot sleep for 5 seconds. Need to import the statement. Wait, thread spelling mistake, THRE. Yeah, that spelling is mistake. Thread dot sleep, then afterward here throws exception. Oh, sorry, not here. We need to write the throw statement. Set the method throws interpreted exception. It's done. Sleep for 5 seconds. Then afterward, driver dot quit. Okay, now we are done. Now right mouse button and run the program. Execution started. Now Chrome browser is going to open. Now we are going to navigate to demo.guru99 web page. Yeah, after going then we are performing the right mouse operation on right click menu button. Yeah, afterward it's close. Now we have just perform right mouse button on particular element. Okay, now if you want to perform any operation, this is like edit, copy, paste, we want to click any, this one means we need to write some more extra code. So for example, I want to click on edit. So here we got an clicked edit. Okay, we got a pop-up message. So if you want to perform means, then again go to same program, and after before build just enter some more extra code, that is dot. Now I need to perform keyboard down button, and afterward enter. So for that I need to enter the send keys dot arrow down, then afterward dot send keys. I am performing only one key arrow down, then means that is edit button. Now send keys dot enter button. Yes, now I'm going to extend this time to around 8 seconds. Now I'm going to run the same program once again. Execution started. Now Chrome browser is open. Now maximize. Then I'm going to Guru 99 website. Now it go to right mouse button on right click button. Then afterward it's perform. Clicked edit. Here you can see we got. So it's again went. Okay. Then next time now we perform edit. Now we'll try to see how we can able to click any one of these buttons. Okay. So here I'm extending some more time. Now I need to write dot send keys dot arrow down again dot send keys dot arrow down. Now it has to press 3 times key down button, then afterward enter button. Okay, now go and run the program. Now execution started. Now opening Chrome browser. Now browser is open. We went to website. Now we went to right click button, and afterward we entered 3 times keyboard down button, that is 1 2 3, that is copy. It's went again. I will extend to another 5 seconds. Now I'm going to run one more time. Yes, website is open. Perform the rightmost copy. Here you can see we entered 3 times keyboard arrow down, that is 1 2 3. Yes, so it's clicked copy. This is done. So similarly we can able to perform any right mouse button or browser related activities, but not any Windows related operations. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more similar kind of videos.